Greetings and salutations once again, my friends. This is my second video today. Things are going crazy in the market right now. Let's talk about two stocks, and the reason I'm combining these is just because they're hot topics right now and they're stocks I've been covering, and just kind of like fold these together to where we can just talk about everything at once here. So first, let's talk about TRKA. So I made a video this morning before market really opened, and I said, hey, I think that obviously there's a lot of volume, there's a lot going on right now. Do not think the stock is done moving right now, because I'm going to forewarn you, breadcrumbs are leaving us to the suspected situation of this could run more here. And if it gets to a 50, I think we might be in some safe ground to see it run to a 60 to a 70. Possibly. Well, after I made that video, guess what it did? It ran from that 45 to a 55 and then to almost right under a 60-cent mark. So really big positive day right now, generally for the whole market, but especially for this stock right here that so many people are watching and trying to push. This is pretty much one of the hottest meme stocks right now. And yes, meme stock, and like I said, when I say meme stock, people get like offended or upset or scared. It's not a bad thing. It just means a lot of people are looking at it, they're pushing it, and every analyst with something they can write about on, Google or something, they're writing about it. So it's moving, it's good, and people, I know a lot of you have bought in at 20, 30, even 40, and you're up right now. Congratulations. This is a win. Now the question is, are we going to double, triple, quadruple our earnings right here on this? And this is where we started this morning, and since then, as you can see, we have really taken off. We've gone all the way to here to another platform right here, and then boom, we're just connecting the dots right here. And then we had our sell-off, our regular sell-off, sell-off that's good, that's healthy, that we're expecting. Like I said, I don't like when stocks just like explode all the way up, because usually they get knocked down the feet underneath of them. So this is pretty positive right here. I like this a lot. This is really healthy. This is slow build up, slow movement. I mean, you could see right here where this this big sell-off came in right here, where this big fight came in, all right here, just right around 12:30, which is normal. 11:30 we had big pop for everything in the market. Usually 11:30 is the biggest pop for anything, and then you'll have sell-off maybe around 1:30 to 2:30. We'll have a little bit of a push, more of a push, and just on a regular market day, if there's no big news breaking later in the day. It rebounded from the sell-off too. Like, it fell all the way down back to a 50-cent zone, even below a 50-cent zone, and then it rose back up to close out at a 55-cent zone. So, man, this is great. This is really positive, and I think this is something to celebrate. So we've got one more day in the market, Friday here, and I'm really curious to see where this is going to run to, and hopefully people didn't panic sell or anything. I hope people are still in this. So friends, with this, I've already covered a lot of the news, what's going on with it. Today, and what I'm just talking about right now is just positive. This is great. We're seeing extreme aggressive buy-in right now, and it's moving fast, slow but fast, but in a very healthy manner. So, I know there's people like, they want to see like AMC things. They want to see something go from 20 cents to $1.20, and it's like, usually when we see that, there's massive sell-off right behind that. So with this slow walk up right here and these foundations being built, this is encouraging right here. So congratulations, friends, the ones that are making money off this. So next, let's talk about Nndm. So if you listen to me yap, I love Nndm, and I am an investor in Nndm. It's something I've been in for quite a while. I think it is the golden nugget in a lot of people's pockets, and that could really do something here in the near future. Now, obviously, there's been a ton of stuff going on with this stock over the past 2 years. Board switches, CEO switches, shady things going on with CEO stuff. But the true value, nuts and bolts of what the company is, I think is what a lot of us look at here. They have money, they have a lot of money on hand, they have a lot of contracts, they're doing good. This is not a company that's like having financial trouble. So the next big thing going on here with Nndm, this is very important if you are a stockholder in this company. On March 20th, there will be a special meeting to vote on should the company issue more than 50 million shares in options, dilute shareholders. So big word right there, dilute. So obviously, I mean, what do you want me to say here? This is going to be a big telltale sign where the rest of the future, probably this year, where Nano could go from this point on. So obviously, I don't believe anybody is wanting more freaking shares. This is not something that we're voting yes on. At least I'm not. But the company is urging people to vote and not let the board members get a hold of it. So we'll see what happens. You know, a lot of this stuff, it may be true, may not be true. What are we supposed to say here? What am I? I'm just a guy talking here on YouTube. But all I can say is I do like Nndm. I believe in the company, and obviously today we're seeing huge gain in Nndm. I mean, this is really positive. We have not seen these numbers in quite some time. Today, Nano hitting that 311 mark, a steady walk up, a really healthy walk up. And Nano the past month has been trying to get up. I think the last, what did I make a video like 2 weeks ago, something like that, where I said, hey, it looks like Nano could possibly be trying to do something here. And you know what? It has. It's been moving up here since then. A slow move, but it is moving. Now, we have seen Nano move like this in the past. This is not like so uncommon that we're like, oh my God, we've never seen this. We have seen Nano do this in the past where it's walked its way back up into a $3 mark. Now, obviously, it's been quite some time since that has happened, but this is really positive and really encouraging for us that have been here for quite a while. I don't think Nano is probably done here. We might have a sell-off day tomorrow, or it could possibly keep going. But, I really would not be surprised to see Nano walk into a 320, 340 here. Where it goes from there, who knows? But it's encouraging and it's very exciting. So, friends, don't forget, if you want to vote and you're a shareholder, all that information is right here. You can look at it. There's paragraphs upon paragraphs to read. Obviously, I'm not going to read that because, I don't want people jumping off bridges, because it's so boring. I do want to encourage you to read up on Nndm and learn about the company and, really see where you want to go with it as an investor. Or you're like, you know what, I'm just not into this, whatever, shut up. Nndm, very bullish on. TRKA, very excited and bullish that this could keep running here. It has got a lot of support behind it. A lot of support. It is the number one talked. It is the number one talked about stock right now. I mean, stock twits, everything, Webull, wherever you go, it is like you're getting a comment every 50 seconds about this stock, and that says a lot. That says that people are very curious, they're interested, they're talking, and they're trading hands of the stock very healthily, very healthy. So, friends, let me know what you think here. Let me know what you're doing. Thank you so much. And we got one more day in the market. One more day. This has been a fun week. Very exciting. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.